We are going to demonstrate the tray table installation for new Blazor. This is where we install the tray table. Step 1. Install the fixation bracket of the tray table. You can either choose the right or left side. If the quick release clamp is switched to the other side, the bracket can also be installed on the side. To detach the armrest first, we will use the 3mm Allen key to remove the fixing bar. Then loosen the fixing screw with the 5mm Allen key to remove the armrest. Step 2. Insert the armrest rod into the 2 holes on the bracket. Fasten the screws of the fixation bracket. Use the 4mm Allen key to fasten the screws. Insert the bracket. The armrest height can be adjusted accordingly. Attention, the height of the 2 armrests should be the same. Fasten the fixing screw with the 5mm Allen key. Mount back the fixing bar. Use the 3mm Allen key to fasten the screws. Step 3. Loosen the screw of the quick release clamp to increase the diameter. Hold the tray table upright and push it into the pull. Twist the tray table slightly while pushing for better fitting. Put the tray table down. The tray table position can be adjusted according to the required user's body. Once adjusted, fasten the fixation ring and depress the latch. When the tray table is not in use, we can flip it to the side. Attention, release the latch before flipping the tray table.